from your dude. There's nothing stop me from the past that's running. I'm still that bitch, you're part of some. You want me free to take your soul and place it in mine. All the time you're waiting, time goes longer and longer inside. Before you know it, your soul is mine. 5 nights at Freddy's 3. I'll let you down and you will see the life where you in the life. That's right, 5 nights at Freddy's 3. Alright, well just for me. You're gonna stay up till time fire. Before you know.
30 years ago they used to be just toys, just playmates, but then it happened. The fire in their eyes became unstoppable, indestructible. They were machines ready for their final act. But 30 years have passed, the Patriots renewed the franchise, rebuilt the podcast. Poor fools, what the fuck have they done? We're coming for you!